There where the wind still carries your scent, where the streets hold echoes of our wandering, steps still drift searching for you, and the images of us remain alive.